Hey, you want to play a game?
Sure.
Okay. Okay. So we're gonna press random numbers, and whichever number we pick, we choose.
Okay.
Yeah, put the dollar in. Okay.
1,
Ready,
2,
set, go.
3.
Oh, we got.
We got 2.
Oh, we got 2 in 1, guys.
Oh yeah. We got 2. Wow. 2-1. Oh, that's crazy, guys.
Let's go do our review.
Yeah.
Hey fellas, how's it quack like muchachos? I'm Jace,
I'm Tano.
and welcome. We're gonna be reviewing the infamous Buzz Bakery chocolate cake cookie. I don't know if you can see that, but it says it's all good at the top.
Let's dig right in.
Let's dig in. Whoa!
Looks like a brownie. Look at that.
Looks just like a brownie.
It's flat. It's shiny with little pieces of white.
Smells just like a brownie.
And cookie cake.
I can see there's marshmallows in it. It's pretty soft.
Look at that. Squishes right in.
Look at that. Look at that little
Look how it breaks apart.
weak spot. I saw you took a few bites out of it.
It reminds me of my grandma's spicy meatloaf. She died now, but
That's all right. So good and tasty.
ouch!
What's going on?
So it's crunchy.
I'm pretty good.
It holds my cavity.
That sucks. I gave it a solid 8 out of 10.
It was a solid 6 out of 9.
Okay, that's review for Buzz Bakery chocolate cake.
Tell your
Cookie.
friends.